Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang pahayag ni Congressman Robert Barbers, ang chairman sa Quadcom, tungkol sa ICC trial ni PRRD. Ito sa GMA News Online. Title, House Quadcom won't cooperate with ICC in AG case proved involving Duterte by Tina Panganiban Perez, GMA Integrated News, March 17. Okay? So, kung titignan mo, parang wow, parang gusto nilang tulungan si PRRD. So, tinanong siya kung makikipag-korda tulungan ba? Ito ang sagot niya sa media, no. Sabi niya, no, we're not cooperating. We're not coordinating. And we're not giving any information that was elicited from the Quadcom's hearings because we are not a member of the ICC. Therefore, we're not obliged. Wow! Parang biglang bumait. Dapat ba nating pasalamatan si Congressman Barbers itong kanyang stand ngayon? Hindi na daw sila makikipag-cooperate eh. Hindi sila tutulong sa ICC dahil hindi naman tayo member sa ICC. Hindi niya. Ano pa? But Barbers said their hearings can be accessed by the public on social media. Ganoon ba yun? Di, kahit ang ICC, ma-access din niya. Sabi niya, well, if they can access the records in the social media platforms, let them do it. O di makukuha pa rin nila. Let them do it that way. But asking the participation of the Quadcom, I'm sorry, but we cannot because we are not a member of the ICC. O sana, ganito rin ang stand ng Executive Department. Hindi tayo member. Kailangan sinorender nila ang isang Pilipino sa foreign court. When asked what the Quadcom will do if the ICC issues subpoena for said evidence, Barbers replied, we cannot be subjected to a subpoena. Maybe they can coordinate with the national government, perhaps with our DOJ, kasi all these records are already public because these are all recorded in all the social media platforms. Barbers added that so far, there have been no official communication from the ICC. Okay? So, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. People who reacted pala dito sa kanyang statement. 21,000 people who reacted, 15,000 tumatawa, hindi sila naniniwala kay Barbers. Then 3,900 ang galit. So halos 19,000. 2,000 lang ang like. Dito mo makikita yung pulso ng taong bayan. Wala na, hindi na pinapaniwalaan ang statement ng mga government officials. Okay, comments. Big Boss Don, sabi niya, sos, nung nakaraan, may mga bundle na kayong mga papel para ibigay ika nyo sa ICC bilang ebidensya. Tapos ngayon, biglang bawi. O ano? Bakit biglang nagbago ang ihip ng hangin? Sabi, Ivy Toso, Lods, walang pinagkaiba sa bata nilang Ngagba na hindi daw makikipag-cooperate. Ang presidente, ilang beses niyang sinasabi na hindi makipag-cooperate. Walang jurisdiction ng ICC. O ngayon, biglang itinurn over ang dating presidente. Okay. Nesrin Abdullahab. This after the OSG Solgen distanced themselves to represent the government over ICC jurisdiction. So any move you make, you will be answerable to your own self. But still, once a traitor, always a traitor. So, epekto kaya ito sa aksyon ng OSG na ayaw ng depensahan ng mga respondent sa Supreme Court? James Retazo. Abay, dapat lang, wag nyo na dagdagan pa yung mga pagtalikod nyo sa pinanumpaan ninyo. Grohedo J. Local and national candidate of BBM, 0 vote this coming election. Vin Martino. The damage is done. Considered it broken. The people are watching all of you, and time will come. The people will surely make the necessary action to ensure you will never be in power again. Time will come. Malapit na po, May 12, 2025, sa pamamagitan ng balota. Joel C. The backfire and backlash had started. Starting with the booing of the barbers in Surigao. Grabe yun. Governor Barbers, yung kapatid niya. Sinigawan ng Duterte sa isang basketball gym. Jackie Fajardo. First and foremost, Congressman Barbers, ICC has no jurisdiction over the Philippines because PRRD withdrew our participation. Ito, Marlon Pipito. Yes, hindi makipag-cooperate, but after the midterm election, they will. Takot ba sila sa raceback ng taong bayan sa election? Tatanong lang. Okay, mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig. Ang income sa channel na ito, tinutulong natin sa Talandig. Sa ngayon, namimigay tayo ng livelihood assistance. Nagpapatanim tayo ng saging lakatan. Kung may itinanim, may aanihin. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.